Okay, let's unbox this bitch. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Are you as ready as I am? Because I'm ready. Can you see? We're gonna... Oh, we can't change. Okay. Alright, whatever. I'm scared! Like, do you know how much money I paid for this? Let me get scissors. I'm like shaking. Ah, how do you open it? Okay, like this. Ah. I got it. Okay. Oh my god. It felt like packed nicely because it's aluminum. My first one didn't come like this. Okay. Okay. We have to pull it up. I'm not strong. Okay. Oh my god, it says away on it. That's so cool. It says away. Oh my gosh, it's so fancy. Look at this! It like is an own a bag for a bag. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's so shiny. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god. Okay, this a bag? Oh my god, so freaking cool. Oh my god. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open it. Ready? How do you do it? Oh my god. Okay, set combination to 0, 0, 0. Press the circular button. Oh my god. Oh my god. The new suitcase smell. Okay, everything looks the same. The little buckles and then the dirty clothes thing. The laptop case, same. It looks about the same. And then the dirty clothes thing is most likely the same too. This is new though. This front part. Not in the dual color case that I have. How do you do it? Okay, so they just come off like this. And you just lift it off the little hook right here. Both sides. Normal inside. This has a little zipper though. Probably for like socks, underwear, and stuff like that. My little tag. Stuff that you shouldn't eat. My little tag. Gotta remember to fill my stuff out. Oh my god. It says away. Woo! scared to open it. I like don't want to open it. That was the coolest thing ever. I ripped it and it says, "You are here." I'm not there yet, but I'm gonna go there. Anywhere I want. Okay, yeah, probably instructions. Adapter? Oh, it's probably for the charger for the thing that it comes. The world is open. I love this little postcard it came with. What I really am looking for is the magazine that it comes with. Does this one not come with the Here magazine? Probably not. Whatever, I don't care. I'm just so excited that I even got it. Oh, so beautiful. Little zippers. Oh, what's in this? It comes with adapters! It comes with adapters! Oh my god, this thing is so cool. Oh my god! Look, it's like a see-through mesh little case with adapters. Okay, I was wondering why this thing had a picture of adapters on it. Like, oh, buy some adapters. No, it gives you them for your little away charger. Where is it? I'm like shaking. It's right here! A little dusty, but not full battery, but away. It should have been full battery. Just kidding. I love this. I love this. I love this. I don't care. Oh my god. The thing that I really, really like about this is it's a cool little mesh case. It says away on it. And the adapters that they give you is like a matte. Ooh, it says away too. Oh my god. It's a matte finish. And it has a USB port. And you can interchange them. Oh my god. Ooh, even this cord is matte for the away charger. Oh my god. I'm like freaking out. Too bad we're not gonna need like a cool adapter for Japan. Like Japan is just normal. Like we could bring our own chargers to Japan. Oh my god, the zipper is an arrow. Oh my god. Okay, let's put everything back in my little mesh case that it comes in. The bag is an arrow. The zipper's an arrow. How cool. And then this bag for the suitcase, okay? Oh, I mean, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god. I almost dropped it. You are here. Yes, I'm here in my room, but not in my paradise yet. I'm still at home. Anyway, before you go. So yeah, this is probably a bunch of stuff. So I was wondering why it said adapters. It gave me adapters. Oh my god. When you get home, put it in my super cool bag. Share the love. Oh, away. I'm going to share this video to every person in the whole entire internet. Oh. And I'm off. Okay. I'm still shaking. I love my bag. This is my second one. I'm going to post this all over YouTube and Instagram and anywhere else that has internet. Because you just need an away bag in your life. And I have two now, so I want to like fold this back together and keep it because it's so cute. But I can't. I ripped it. But I get to keep this! And this! And I get to keep my beautiful suitcase that has no zippers, just buckles. Look at it! It's so shiny! Okay. I'm done with this unboxing. Please go get an away bag You won't regret it. It came in a beautiful box, a beautiful bag. That black box is new. I didn't have that black box with my two dual color suitcase. This obviously is a limited edition or special edition, something. Can't remember. But I love it. I love both of mine. I will buy many more. And yeah. Okay, that's the end of this video.